Are you tired of suffering from joint pain, arthritis, or rheumatism? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring a topic that affects millions worldwide. But there's a solution passed down through generations, a powerful remedy that has stood the test of time. A remedy so potent and effective that it can alleviate joint pain in just 3 days. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's a fact. I present to you Grandma's secret recipe. Let's unlock her secret to a pain-free life. Joint pain, arthritis, and rheumatism are conditions that can wreak havoc on our bodies, limiting mobility and diminishing quality of life. Understanding these conditions is key. Joint pain, arthritis, and rheumatism cause discomfort and inflammation in the joints. They stem from various factors like inflammation, injury, or age-related degeneration. Autoimmune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis can worsen joint pain. By understanding these causes, we will appreciate the need for effective remedies. You'll need a glass jar, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 3 cloves of garlic, and 0.25 liters of pure olive oil to make this elixir. We begin by blending the cloves until they form a fine powder. Next, use a garlic press and crush the garlic cloves. In the glass jar, combine the powdered cloves, mashed garlic, and olive oil. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure that the ingredients are well incorporated. Once mixed, prepare a water bath by placing a pot of water on the stove with a clean towel inside. Carefully place the glass jar containing the oil mixture into the pot, ensuring that the water level is well below the rim of the jar. Allow the mixture to cook for approximately 30 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure that the ingredients are evenly heated and mixed. After 30 minutes, remove the jar from the water bath and let it cool for about an hour at room temperature. This allows the flavors to meld together and the oil to absorb the beneficial properties of the cloves and garlic. Once cooled, strain the oil mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any solid particles. Transfer the strained oil to a clean, airtight container and store it in a dark, cool place for at least 10 days. During this time, the oil will continue to infuse with the flavors and properties of the cloves and garlic, making it even more potent and effective. To apply the oil, gently massage it into the affected areas for 5 minutes to promote circulation and optimal absorption. Wrap the treated area with stretch film and a towel to seal in moisture and enhance absorption. Apply the oil every evening and leave it on overnight, washing off any residue in the morning. It's important to note that while this recipe is a natural remedy, there may be some potential side effects or precautions to consider. Some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions, particularly if they have sensitive skin or allergies to any of the ingredients. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Additionally, if you are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying medical conditions, it's always best to consult with your doctor before using any new remedies or supplements. The power of Grandma's recipe extends far beyond its ingredients. It's a testament to the wisdom passed down through generations. I've witnessed firsthand how it helped my grandparents regain their mobility and find relief from joint pain. By integrating this natural remedy into your daily routine, you too can experience the transformative benefits it offers. So, with that said, check out the videos on the screen for more homemade healthy tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and pain-free.